Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly fold your sheets. In particular, we are going to be talking about this guy, this fitted sheet. Most of you, well not most of you, most people I know fold their fitted sheet like this. They grab it like this, done, in the closet. And we're not doing that, okay? Because that does not look good, and for organization purposes, we do not want our closets, our linen closets, looking like a hot mess. Especially if you have visitors coming over. No, you don't want them opening up that closet when you're folding your sheets like that. So let's go. Let me show you how to do it. And just so you guys know, I don't normally fold my sheets with a full face of makeup, but Oscar and I are about to go on a date. So you know, gotta look cute. All right guys, hopefully you could see good. I wanted to pull back my other white duvet cover just so you could get a better view. But we're going to start off with the pillowcases first. So what I like to do is to get it as stretched out as possible. And then I just grab corner to corner, again, flatten it out as much as you can, fold again, and then in thirds, just like this. Just like that, and you get a perfect pillowcase every time. And just like that, they are all perfectly rectangled out. Perfect. Okay guys, so now we are going to work on the fitted sheet. So for this, you are going to grab the bottom corner and merge it with the top corner. So they are going to become one corner now. And try to keep everything as straight as you can. Oh, lost my corner. Keep everything as straight as you can and merge the other corners. Again, top with the bottom. And you want the tags and all that to be inward, just like this. Then you are going to link those two corners together, just like this. And then you're going to grab your sheet, shake it out, and make sure everything is as straight as possible. So then you're going to have one square or rectangle, just like this. Okay, then you are going to link this top part, just like this, with the bottom half, and make sure everything is together like this. Then again, you are going to fold it into another half, just like this. Make sure everything is nice and straight. And then like that. Then you're going to get it together like this. Fold it in one more time. Make sure again that everything is nice and straight and crisp. And now right here, this is where I like to fold it in thirds. And I like to go with this sort of rough edge on the inside so you can't see it. Again, tuck in any of the tags that you have. So this on the inside like this. And then over that. Then once you flip it over, you're gonna have a nice, beautiful sheet. Nice and beautiful. Okay guys, now for the fun part, the sheet that everybody dreads. The fitted sheet. All right. So for this, I promise you, it is super easy. Again, you're going to grab it where it has this seam. Right where you put it on your mattress corner, that's where you want to grab it. So go from, so this will be on, you know, the top, right? Because in here would be inside out. You want this seam right here. I don't know if you can see. That seam on the inside. So you're gonna go from here and grab it and have this point right here. Then you're going to go and insert that into this part. You see where the tag is? I'm gonna stick it right in there. All right? And then you should have this sort of rectangular thing going on. Then you're going to just lay that flat. And again, don't mind this sheet. It's very wrinkly because that's how it is with cotton sheets. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Get it into that little pocket. And then you're going to have two of these pocket things going on. Then you're going to put the other pocket and over, just like that. And you're going to shake it out, make sure everything is straight, and again, lay it down flat. Then you're going to grab, let me put this a little lower, you're going to grab this and kind of like bring it in a little. So you are making a perfect square or rectangle, whatever. Then you're gonna bring this inward and then this downward. So again, you have a perfect rectangle going on. And then my favorite, once again, folding in thirds. So you got one and you got two. Just like that. You have your nice, perfect fitted sheet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to the end, you're the real MVP. I really do hope that this was helpful for you. And if it was, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love if you guys could do that. It would really help me out and it would show YouTube that you guys love the content that you're seeing. So I really would appreciate it, and it's free. I mean, you're already here, so why not? Anyway, guys, thank you again for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you thought and if you end up trying it. And if you do, oh my gosh, if you do, send me a DM with the picture of your sheets because I would love to see how you guys did. I have the same name on Instagram. It's simplyanacristina, and same for Facebook too. So send me a DM. Show me what you did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.